How to fix ChatGPT not working on laptop. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If your ChatGPT is not working on your laptop or PC, follow this quick and easy step. Start by launching a preferred browser in your device. Now in here you need to make sure that you are using the correct ChatGPT. So the one with the openai.com, you can search for this in your browser and you need to click on the OG chat GPT from OpenAI. If you click on it, you will be redirected to the web page, something like this. You will also have the chance to download the ChatGPT desktop app if you have not yet. If you want to use on your web, tap on Try ChatGPT instead. Now, if you are using the correct ChatGPT, however, it is still not working, there might be the issue with the internet or a built-in cache in your browser. Now, to debunk it, firstly, check for your Wi-Fi connection and your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a different Wi-Fi, or you can head over and enable the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off. After that, you can head over and open the preferred browser and click on the three dot icon of the browser. From here, you need to head over and select on the option of delete browsing history or data, or you can just click on Ctrl plus Shift plus delete. This will redirect you to the new page and tap on delete data, which will be deleting all of the cache and cookies that might be causing bug or the glitch issue. After that, you can relaunch a ChatGPT by searching for openai.com. This will guarantee solve your problem of your ChatGPT not working. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.